Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today we are going to talk about how industrial engineering works in the real world. To help us understand this, I have a special guest today. She graduated from USIL and is currently working as industrial engineering intern at Alicorp, one of the biggest companies in Peru. Please welcome Yasira Bacaya. Hi Yasira, thank you for being here today.
Thank you for inviting me. I'm very happy to share my experience with you and talk about how industrial engineering works in a real life.
Excellent. Let's dive straight into it. To give us some context, can you tell me about your current internship at Alicorp?
Of course, I'm currently working as industrial engineer intern at Alicorp, one of the leading consumer goods company in Peru. I joined the company shortly after graduating from SEAL, and this opportunity has allowed me to experience how industrial engineer is applied in a real business environment. I work closely with the operation and continuous improvement teams, supporting projects that aim to improve efficiency, productivity, and overall performance. My internship has given me exposure to different processes within the company, and I have been able to learn from professionals with many years of experience. Every day as is different, which makes the job both interesting and challenging. Also, it has been a valuable opportunity to transition from academic learning to professional practice.
That sounds like an incredible dynamic environment to start a career. Since you are embedded within the operation and continuous improvement teams. So, what are your main responsibilities in the company?
My main responsibility involves supporting operational and improvement projects. I help collect and analyze data related to production and performance indicators, prepare reports for the team, and participate in meetings where results and opportunity from improvement are discussed. I also assist in identifying inefficiencies in process and proposing ideas that could help optimize operation. Also, I collaborate with different departments because many projects require teamwork across multiple areas of the company. Sometimes I help organize information, monitor projects' progress, and updates performance metrics. Although I am still an intern, I have been given responsibilities that allow me to contribute to the team's objectives while continuing to learn from experienced professionals.
It's great that they trust you with real operational responsibilities. Now, looking back at your time at USIL, what university knowledge do you use most frequently in your work?
There are several areas of knowledge from university that I used regularly, but the most frequent is statistics, I think, process management also, and operation management. I think data analysis too. During my studies, I learned how to interpret data, identify trends, and make decisions based on evidence rather than assumptions. So, in my internships, these skills are very important because many decisions depend on analyzing operational information. I also used concepts related to productivity, quality management, and continuous improvement. Additionally, university projects help me develop problem solving skills, which are essential when facing real business challenges. So, I have realized that the theoretical concepts learned in class become much more meaningful when applied to resolve situations in a company.
That connection between theory and reality is fascinating. Out of all the specific courses you took, so is there any subject from university that you consider especially useful in your professional life?
Yes, I would say that operations management has been one of the most useful subjects in my professional life. This course helped me understand how organization manage resource, coordinate activities, and improve efficiency. It provide a strong foundation for understanding production systems, process optimization, and performance measurement. Another subject that has been very useful is statistics because it taught me how to analyze data and support decision with objective information. I also found courses related to quality management valuable because companies constantly seek ways to improve their products and service. Overall, these subjects prepare me to better understand the challenges that organizations face and how industrial engineers can contribute to solving them.
Well, it definitely sounds like those courses give you the perfect toolkit for Alicot. Given everything you do on daily basis, do you enjoy your internship? Why and why not? Or why not?
Yes, I definitely enjoy my internship. One of the main reasons is that I am constantly learning new things and developing skills that will be useful throughout my career. I enjoy seeing how the concepts I learn at university are applied in a real situation. I also appreciate the opportunity to work with professionals who have extensive experience in the industry because I can learn from their knowledge and advice. Um, Another reason I enjoy my internship is that the work is dynamic and involves solving practical problems. Every project presents different challenges, which keeps me motivated and engaged. Also, there are moments when the workload can be demanding. I see those situations as opportunities to grow and improve professionally.
Well, that positive attitude toward the demanding workload is standard for a true engineer. This leads me to a classic debate in our field. What do you think is more important in your career? Theoretical knowledge or practical experience, and why?
I believe both theoretical knowledge and practical experience are essential for a successful career, but if I had to choose one, I would say practical experience is slightly more important. Theoretical knowledge provides the foundation and helps us understand concepts, methodologies, and principles. However, practical experience teach us how to apply that knowledge in real situations where there are constraints, unexpected challenges, and multiply factors to consider. Through experience, we develop professional judgment, communication skills, and the ability to adapt to different circumstances. In my opinion, the best combination is having a strong theoretical background and continuously gaining practical experience. Together, they allow professionals to make better decisions and contribute more effectively to their organization.
Completely agree. Well, the balance is key. So, science practice comes with its our heartless. What challenge have you faced during your internship experience?
One of the biggest challenges I have faced is adapting to the professional environment and understanding how a large company operates. At university, many projects are complete within a classroom setting, but in a company, a decision can affect many people and process. Another challenge has been managing multiple tasks and deadline at the same time while maintaining high quality work. I have also had to learn new software tools and reporting systems that were unfamiliar to me at first. In addition, communicating with professionals from different departments required me to improve my communication and teamwork skills. Although these challenges were difficult initially, they have helped me become more confident, organized, and prepared for for the future responsibilities.
Well, you mentioned cross-department communication, which is vital for an engineer. Moving deeper into that, how do you manage teamwork and communication in the workplace?
I believe effective communication is one of the most important factors for successful teamwork. When working with others, I try to communicate clearly, listen actively, and respect different perspective. I make sure that everyone understand the objective and expectation of a project so that misunderstandings can be avoided. I also believe that being open to feedback is very important because it helps improve both individual and team performance. In addition, I try to maintain a positive attitude and support my colleagues whenever possible, since many projects involve people from different areas. Collaboration is essential. By maintaining good communication and mutual respect, team can work more efficiently and achieve better results.
That's excellent advice for any future colleague. So, what are your professional goals for the future?
Um, my professional goals is to continue growing within the field of operation and continuous improvement. In the short term, I would like to gain more experience, develop my technical skills, and learn from industry professionals. I am particularly interested in process optimization, productivity improvement, and project management. In the medium term, I would like to become a continuous improvement engineer or operation analyst and take on greater responsibilities within an organization. But in the long term, I hope to move into leadership's position where I can manage teams, lead strategic projects, and contribute to organizational growth. I also plan to continue my education through certifications and postgraduate studies because I believe continuous learning is essential for professional success.
That is a brilliant roadmap, Yasira. I have no doubt you will achieve everything you've set out to do. Thank you so much for sharing your daily life at Alicot, your academic memories at Usil, and this incredible insight with us today. It has been an absolute pleasure.
Thank you. It was great talking to you. I hope this helps students understand what being an industrial engineer is all about.
And to our audience, thank you for watching. Don't forget to analyze your data, optimize your processes, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.